Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you some ways that I kind of stay productive, breaking up my work day with something that I call my 45-15 productivity routine. So typically my workday involves a lot of computer-based work where I'm just sitting for many hours. It can be quite boring and monotonous, I'm not gonna lie. And to be honest, it can be off-putting if you think about just spending 8 hours in front of a computer doing things like editing and emails and making PowerPoint and writing scripts. So to break up my workday, I started doing something that is based on the Japanese productivity Pomodoro technique. And they usually do it like in a 50 minutes working and then 10 minutes break, but I decided to do it with a 45-15 minute routine. So instead of being faced with like an 8-hour workday of just straight computer work, I've started breaking up my workday into 1 hour time blocks. And then within those time blocks, I do a 45-minute work period and then a 15-minute kind of other productive things, but that's not just sitting in front of a computer working. I found that this not only helps me get started with work in the first place, because a 45-minute computer work block is much easier to get started on than an 8-hour work block. So it's not so overwhelming and it's not so off-putting in the first place to get your work out of the way. And then with that other 15 minutes, you're doing something that just breaks up your everyday routine, but it's still things that are, contributing and getting things done most of the time. Like, to be honest, as you're going to see, some of the times I just spend my 15 minutes doing total like me things, like self-care things, but it is great to just take a break from your work. So if you're working from home, definitely recommend try to implement this in your daily routine. And if you've got like a job that you work from home, or if you're a stay-at-home mum, or anything that you do, just try and break up your day into these 45-15 blocks. I've just found that it makes so much of a difference, just giving you that feeling that there's kind of a light at the end of the tunnel of your work tasks that you've got to get done. Honestly, thinking about a 45-minute work block, it is much easier pill to swallow than to think that you're going to be stuck in front of a computer for 8 hours with no light at the end of the tunnel. And even when you're doing like productive things like maybe some cleaning or some organizing tasks in that 15 minutes, it's just enough to kind of change up the routine to keep it interesting. And it's not only necessarily cleaning or organizing or productive things that you can do. You can totally take that 15 minutes just to do some chilled out, self-care, me time things like you're going to see in this video. Slip-ups and mistakes, and I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. I found that it's also been encouraging to help me get the things that I've been putting off done, because I think, I've just got 15 minutes to spend on it, so I'm going to do it as quickly as possible. And quite often I'll get something that I've been putting off or procrastinating on doing because I think it's going to take so long. Those things that I've been putting off, I can easily get them done in those 15-minute breaks that I do at least once a day or a couple of times throughout the day. We go back to your bed.
chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing.
So guys, that about wraps up today's video. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me and seeing some ways that you could possibly make the most of your time at home if you are working from home still, and just breaking up that long work day with this 45-15 ultimate productivity routine. It's definitely worked for me. It's a tried and tested productivity methodology that is implemented in many manufacturing businesses to ensure that productivity is maximized. So definitely implementing it into your home work life, it can only do wonders for your own productivity too. If you enjoyed this kind of video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you'd give this a try if you're working from home, or if you're a stay-at-home mum, if you would implement something like this into your day just to break up that routine, and some of the things that you'd get done in your 15 minutes of free time. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe before you go. Hang out and watch a few more videos. I will leave some linked in the description box that I think you'll enjoy. Have a fabulous week, everyone, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.
Tears keep on falling, the nighttime is out. Oh, oh, Geronimo.
What are you doing? What are you doing in the toy basket, mister? What are you doing in the basket? What are you doing in the basket? Goodness gracious. Is your toy in there? Is your toy in there with you? You got your little slothy. That is not your toy. That is Riley's puppy dog. That mummy got him because she didn't want to get a real dog. Huh? Oh, how rude. Oh, how rude. How rude, Freddy Bear. You want to go for a walk? Freddy, you want to go for a walk? Freddy. Freddy, where's some Freddy Bear? Do you want to go for a walk? Freddy, you want to go for a walk to the river? Yeah?